To maintain stock item. Go to Stock, Maintain Stock Group, choose any stock group, and you will see the code and description. Choose the costing method and set the GL account code. Then, go to Maintain Stock Item, enter the item code and description. Choose the item group we created earlier. For ref cost, it's the price we purchased the item at, and ref price is the price we want to sell it for. Shelf indicates the warehouse location. Reorder level is the quantity that triggers a reminder to order new stock, and reorder quantity is the amount you want to reorder. Lead time refers to the estimated time for delivery. If there is any other information, make sure to input it as well. To create another UOM, unit of measure, just add it as usual. Ensure that the correct quantity is set. For customer price tag, set the price or promotional price. Customer price refers to the price you want to sell to different customers, similar to how you set the price for suppliers. You may add more description depending on your preferences.
Thank you for watching. For more tutorial, please like, share and subscribe.